Have you been hunting? What are you bringing your mom? Oh, good boy. What is it? What is that? Is that a bunny rabbit? Come back!
He just wanted a little bite.
Mac. What are you doing? Mac.
The real reason revolving doors were invented.
And I don't care if you get mad or get an attitude. It's your tail slapping on my laptop, la boy. And you need to move your feet and your tail out my way.
She's a true sleep
Fucking
champion.
dead? Hello? Hello? Oh my fucking god, don't do that!